Arduino is an open-source electronics platform that consists of both hardware and software components. It is designed to be user-friendly and accessible for beginners, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Arduino boards are microcontroller-based development boards that can be programmed to interact with various electronic components and devices. Here are some key points about Arduino. Hardware: Arduino boards are equipped with microcontrollers, which are small computer chips that can be programmed to control electronic circuits. These boards typically include input-output pins, analog-to-digital converters, digital I/O ports, and other features that allow for easy connection and control of sensors, actuators, and other electronic components. Software: Arduino uses a simplified version of the C++ programming language and provides an integrated development environment, IDE, for programming and uploading code to the Arduino board. The Arduino IDE includes a code editor, a compiler, and a bootloader that allows the code to be uploaded to the board via a USB connection. Versatility: Arduino can be used for a wide range of applications, including robotics, home automation, Internet of Things, IoT, projects, interactive art installations, and more. Its versatility stems from the ability to connect and control various sensors, e.g., temperature, humidity, motion, and actuators, e.g., motors, lights, displays, to create interactive projects. Open source: Arduino is based on open source principles, which means that the design files, schematics, and software code are freely available for modification and distribution. This allows the community to contribute to the development of Arduino boards and share their projects and knowledge with others. Community: Arduino has a large and active community of users and developers who share their projects, tutorials, and troubleshooting tips. This community support makes it easier for beginners to learn and get assistance with their Arduino projects. Overall, Arduino provides a flexible and accessible platform for creating interactive electronic projects, making it popular among hobbyists, students, and professionals in the field of electronics and programming. Expansion: Arduino boards are highly expandable and can be combined with a wide range of shields and modules to add additional capabilities. Shields are add-on boards that provide specific functionalities, such as wireless communication, e.g., Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, motor control, or display interfaces.